Good morning and welcome to another episode of Coast to World, and this time we are in Rhyl in North Wales. Now Rhyl's seen a little bit of a demise recently with the closure of the Ocean Park and the Sun Centre, but it's having a little bit of a revival at the moment, and a new Sun Centre is being built and a new little park has opened. Rhyl Family Park. It's only got a few rides in it. It has got a coaster credit as far as I know. We've just spotted it's got a twister. You look forward to that.
Yeah.
Chaz likes twisters. So we're going to just do a little short vlog here. And as I say, we're doing a few other little things in the area today. So there's quite a bit to come today.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm definitely going to have to get this coaster credit today on the Nessie little junior dragon coaster. Good little coaster that. Yeah, 3 lap special on the Nessie. Yeah, it's a similar layout to the one at Flamingo Land, the Dino coaster. Only one token to go on. So here you can get like different bumper bags and things. So we've paid £20 for 15 tokens. So that was 1 token. So most rides are 1 token, some are 2. There is Crazy Golf as well, but that's £3 a go. And I'm not too sure on what the simulator is or how much that is, but yeah, quite cheap really, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, so if you're in the area and you're bringing the kids, come here for a little bit of a cheap day out. And we're gonna go and do a few other rides. They've got dodge jumps, they've got the Sizzler, and it does say waltzers somewhere, but I haven't seen any. There's no waltzers here really. And you got Helter-skelter as well. I might give that a go as well. I haven't been on a Helter-skelter for a while, since I went to Barry Island. So yeah, see you on the next ride. Right, I'm going to go and do this Helter-skelter. I'm not sure how many slides you get, probably just the one. That'll do me with the amount of stairs that they have anyway. All these stairs. Got me mat. Here we go. Go. Oh, I've got to do it again, have I? Yeah. Damn. I was going to offer a kid another go. I was going to offer a kid a free go. Too many stairs. Tell me you got it that time.
Do it again.
No, I'm not doing it again. Yeah. Cheers. Talk about prickly, those mats. It's like sitting on a hedgehog. And you get 2 goes. I only wanted to do 1, but Chaz was winding me up and saying he didn't get the picture, so I had to do it again. I could swear, but it's a family channel.
I got you back for the fair with me in the slide.
What? Oh.
Yes.
The mega value. Yeah.
I always get my payback.
Right. Anyway, I wonder if the Sizzler's open yet. Should we go and do the Sizzler?
If it's open, yeah.
I think it is. The ride operators are there. Let's go and give the Sizzler a go.
Who did you supposed to on it?
Where am I going? Whoa, 360. Well, I have to say they were the best bumper cars I've ever been on. But I think, you know, they were quite fast, and the back end was just slipping and sliding. The first time though, we did have to stop for a bit because the car broke down, so they needed to call the AA, change cars. But they've just like mopped all the track and everything, so maybe it was a bit wet, but it felt like trying to steer on oil. Yeah, well, we were going to go on this Sizzler like we said before, but it's not opened, and we've got other things to do, so we're going to give it a miss. He said it was going to open in like 10-15 minutes, and that was about half an hour ago, because he said that there were needs to test it, and it hasn't moved. So we've had a few rides there, but we've got other things to do. Next stop, Prince.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in Prince, where we're going to ride Batman. Batman!